Hey everyone! In today's video, we're testing a powerful trading strategy that combines the 8, 13, and 21 EMAs with the EMA MACD indicator. We'll code the entire strategy in Python, optimize it using Freqtrade, and run backtests to evaluate its performance. So, let's jump right in. Before explaining the strategy, let's break down the core indicators that make this strategy work. The 8, 13, and 21 exponential moving averages, EMAs. The exponential moving average gives more weight to recent price movements, making it more responsive compared to a simple moving average. Here's how each EMA plays a role. 8 EMA, a fast-moving average that reacts quickly to price changes. 13 EMA, acts as a transition between short-term and mid-term trends. 21 EMA, a slower moving average that smooths out price fluctuations. How do we use them? When the 8 EMA is above the 13 EMA and the 13 EMA is above the 21 EMA, it indicates an uptrend. When the 8 EMA is below the 13 EMA and the 13 EMA is below the 21 EMA, it signals a downtrend. 2. MACD, Moving Average Convergence Divergence. The MACD is a momentum indicator that helps us identify trend shifts and potential buy-sell signals. It consists of MACD line, the difference between the 12-period EMA and 26-period EMA. Signal line, a 9-period EMA of the MACD line. How do we use it? When the MACD line crosses above the signal line, it suggests buying pressure. When the MACD line crosses below the signal line, it indicates selling pressure. Now that we understand the key indicators, let's go over how we'll use them to identify trade opportunities. To enter a long trade, we need all of the following conditions to be met. 8 EMA crosses above the 21 EMA, a sign that short-term momentum is turning bullish. 13 EMA crosses above the 21 EMA, confirms the transition into a stronger uptrend. 8 EMA greater than 13 EMA greater than 21 EMA, a clear bullish structure where shorter EMAs are leading. MACD line crosses above the signal line, confirms increasing bullish momentum. Once all conditions are met, we enter a long trade on the next candle. Of course, every trade needs a solid risk management plan. To set our stop loss, we identify the lowest swing low from the last 3 candles and place it slightly below that level. For take profit, we use a 2.5 to 1 risk-reward ratio, meaning our target profit is 2.5 times the stop-loss distance. If the closing price moves above our take-profit level, we lock in the gains and exit with a profit. Now let's see how we take a short trade using this strategy. To enter a short trade, all of the following conditions must be met. 1. 8 EMA crosses below the 21 EMA, a sign that short-term momentum is shifting bearish. 2. 13 EMA crosses below the 21 EMA, confirms the transition into a stronger downtrend. 3. 8 EMA less than 13 EMA less than 21 EMA, a clear bearish structure where the faster moving averages are leading the decline. 4. MACD line crosses below the signal line, confirms increasing selling pressure. Once all these conditions align, we enter a short trade on the next candle. Here's how we control our downside while maximizing potential gains. Identify the highest swing high from the last 3 candles and place the stop loss slightly above this level. We apply a 2.5 to 1 risk-reward ratio, setting our target profit at 2.5 times the stop loss distance. If a candle closes below the take profit level, we close the trade and lock in the profit. And there you have it, another successful trade. Of course, not every trade will play out this perfectly, which is why backtesting is crucial to validate the strategy over multiple market conditions. Now that we've covered the strategy, it's time to take it to the next level and optimize it for better performance using Freqtrade, a powerful, free, open-source crypto trading bot built with Python. If you're curious to dive deeper into Freqtrade, check out the link in the description for a comprehensive Freqtrade course. Here's the plan for optimizing our strategy. We'll be testing our strategy on the 1-hour time frame. We'll split our data into 2 parts, in-sample data 8 months. This will be our training data, where we fine-tune the parameters of the strategy. Out of sample data, 4 months. This will act as our testing ground. By using this data, we'll evaluate how well our optimized strategy performs on unseen data and ensure it can generalize to new market conditions. Now, let's focus on the important parameters we'll be fine-tuning for the best performance. 1. EMA cross, rolling window. This will test how far back the EMA crossover remains valid. Second, MACD cross-rolling window. Similar to the EMA, this parameter helps us determine how far back the MACD crossover remains relevant. Third, stop-loss buffer. We'll test a stop-loss buffer by setting the stop-loss slightly below the swing low or above the swing high, adjusted by a percentage range from 0.1% to 0.8%. Fourth, swing point, look back. This defines how many candles to look back when determining swing highs and swing lows. 5. Risk ratio. This is a crucial factor for defining our risk-reward ratio. We'll use Freqtrade's HyperOpti feature to find the best combination of these parameters, with the goal of maximizing profit while minimizing drawdown. Once we've found the best combination of parameters, we'll run a backtest to see how well our optimized strategy performs with the selected settings. All right, let's break down the backtesting results. We tested the strategy on DOT perpetual futures using a 1-hour time frame over the past year with optimized settings. Total profit, 500%, significantly outperforming the market, which declined 14% in the same period. Maximum drawdown, 18%, showing controlled risk with strong overall profitability. Now, let's look at the results visually. The equity curve shows a consistent uptrend, meaning the strategy steadily generated profit without major setbacks, proving its ability to adapt across market conditions. The optimization used 8 months of in-sample data, fine-tuning parameters for the best performance. Then, we tested it on 4 months of out-of-sample data to confirm it works on unseen data and isn't overfitted. If you want to download the Freqtrade strategy file and explore it yourself, check out the link in the description. I've also created a pair-optimized version, allowing you to trade multiple pairs in one setup, each with its own fine-tuned parameters for even better performance. If you found this video helpful, hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and share it with your friends to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.